Stop using lambda just to fix a function argument. Functools.partial does it better, and here's why. When you use lambda for partial application, you lose the original function's name and docstring. Your debugger sees only an anonymous function. Functools.partial preserves all that metadata. More importantly, partial is self-documenting. It tells the reader exactly what you're doing. A lambda could contain arbitrary logic, so readers have to read it carefully to understand it. Partial objects are also introspectable. You can access .func to see the wrapped function, .args for positional bindings, and .keywords for keyword bindings. With a lambda, you have a black box. No way to programmatically discover what arguments were baked in at creation. The most critical difference is late binding. When a lambda references a variable from an outer scope, it binds the name, not the value. In a for loop, every lambda ends up using the final value of that variable. Partial binds the value immediately at creation time, so each partial object gets its own frozen snapshot, eliminating the classic loop closure bug entirely. Finally, partial objects are picklable. Lambdas are not. This matters for multiprocessing, or any queue-based system that serializes callables. Prefer partial for partial application. It wins on clarity, safety, and serialization. Follow for more Python deep dives. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.